Hi guys, good morning! Pine-prepare ko guys ngayon yung mga bata kasi binyag tsaka birthday ni Olivia. So magnininang dapat ako guys. Ayan si Chi, nakaligo na. Magnininang dapat ako guys. Kaya lang nga, nagkasakit kaming lahat dito. So si Chi tsaka si Solana, tapos na yan guys kasi sila yung nauna. Ako ang huli, tsaka si Dada, pero si Dada okay na rin siya. Tapos si Selena, ayan, may sakit pa. So, sabi ko kay Dada, siya na lang ang magpa-proxy sa akin. So, si Dada, nandun na siya sa simbahan.
Our Father, in the midst of the church, in the name, the Spirit of our Father.
Anong gusto mo?
It's that one.
Namimili siya, pipili ng damit niya.
This one.
Ah, this one. Okay. This one daw gusto niya. Wawa naman. Oh, may sakit ang chuchay ko.
Get ready with me. And then you have to maybe he's like, I'm gonna be done with you now. And then he just make a mess of them.
Yeah. Funny, no?
In the toy room, in the playroom. This is funny. I ugly up him so much, and you're stepping so important from him.
Si Solana, guys, anong ginawa mo?
Nothing.
Kahapon, nag-cut siya ng bangs.
No!
Hindi siya nagsasabi kay mama.
No, I
Tignan nyo, kaya hindi pantay. Tapos dinideny niya. Sabi niya, hindi daw siya nag-cut ng bangs. Tinanong ko siya kahapon, Solana, did you cut your bangs? Ano sabi mo?
No.
No. But look at the bangs. Not pantay.
Wait.
Oh, see? Oh. Wait lang. Papantayin ko yan mamaya. See? Oh. Eto short. Eto long. Diba? Huwag ka magka-cut. Pag sabihin mo gusto mo mag-cut ng bangs, tamang mo si mama. You want straight hair or curly hair?
Straight hair.
Straight hair? Okay. Ate, you want straight hair or curly?
I already said straight. Give me straight hair.
Fine. Ate.
Mama said we are here.
Ay, magsusumbong ka pa sa kuya.
Yeah.
Not yet done.
Oh yeah, no. When I always do side my stool, my classmates always say hi to me and everybody else.
Ganun yun, ate. Pag nag-hi sila sa'yo, mag-hi ka din sa kanila, okay? Don't be shy to greet them. Oh.
Yeah, I know. I'm not shy.
Ah, you're not shy. Okay. Ay, nako. Ngayon yung bangs mo magiging short pag kinat ko kasi susundan ko to, oh. Ayan, oh, susundan natin yan.
Nana, where are your scissors? It's not here.
Asan yung scissor mo? Saan mo na naman nilagay? Sabi ko, lagay mo lang lagi sa table mo, diba?
Yeah, always, but I don't know where it's down.
Paano naman nawala? Ikaw lang naman gumagamit.
I don't the tape in my scissors, and then I was trying to find the scissors, and then it disappeared.
Ay, nako.
I don't know.
Paano nag-disappear yung scissor?
I don't know.
Not there. Couldn't find it.
I think it worked.
Solana, saan mo nilagay yung scissor mo?
I didn't put it anywhere.
Stop laughing. Chin up. Susundan natin yung bangs mo. Huwag kang tumawa. Ayan, ang iksi tuloy.
The last one.
Ay, naku, hindi talaga pantay. O, kasi. O, next time huwag ka na magkakat, ha? Tamo, meron pa hanggang dito kaliit, ate. O, hanggang dito. Ate talaga. So, how will I fix that?
A lot of them.
Oh, ang ganda, oh. Oh, there.
Mom, this looks like Selena's.
Yeah. Guys, ginupit niya rin yung bangs pala ni Selena. Mga kayo mga chapsuy. Ah, ginupit mo rin yung bangs ni Selena, di ba? Ganyan din, guys, kaigsi. Buti na lang natakpan ng ibang buhok niya.
Wait, no, this hair.
Ah, hair? Just your hair. Dito mo tignan, no? O, tignan mo yung hair mo. Oh, ganda na. Yan, ate, like a Barbie na. Gusto kasi ni ate like a Barbie eh. O, ayan, Barbie ka na. Look here. Show me. Ate Nana.
This is Chi-Chi's. This is mine.
Hindi, ikot ka muna. Baka matapon na. Love you.
Love you.
Diyan ka lang at si Chichi na. Ate, you want to put eyeshadow?
No.
Dada's here. Papakita ko sa inyo guys ang OOTD ni Ate Nana. Wow. Ayan, naging Audrey Hepburn siya guys dahil kinupit niya yung buhok niya. Bagay nga sa'yo, ang ganda mo eh. Talikod ka, patingin ng hair. Bye!
Ah, okay. Sige, go first.
Nakaalis na sila dyan. Nakatulog na ulit si Selena. May init na naman siya.
Everybody say hi, Olivia! Alright, so right now, we are going to listen to a prayer first from Basel 4, 5. Sakto na pala, ayos, okay na. This is for Skyler. Standing, sit down. Okay, go. 1 point, okay. Next, go. 1 point for Team Skyler, 1 point for Team Ed. Riley, 2 points. Fast, go Skyler. 2 points. After Louise, go. First to get 10 points will be the turn pairs. Go after Louise, 3 points. How about this?
Inside my bones, it goes electric, baby, when I turn it on. Ain't no ceiling when knocking our sound. I got sunshine in my pocket. There's no circle.
What's your name? Get your prize. You're the orange. Get your prize. You have to do the trick to get a prize. You can do it. Almost. Got it. Do it. One day. Slowly. Move it back and. Woo! Full level lang na.
Andito na sila, Dada. Naghugas muna ng kamay yung mga bata. Wow, kuya! Wow! Wow, ang dami! Nag-enjoy sila.
Oo. Tama isang tanong, hinihilig pa.
Cute ni Oli, oh. Buti nakapag-picture kayo.
Kami huling-huli.
Selena! Wow!
Oh, darling, oh. Serena.
Ang ganda naman nito.
Dodi, oh.
Pakita mo sa kanya, pakita mo sa kanya.
Okay, ayaw, hold.
Hindi siya nakasama sa party eh.
Ma, when they were giving out the balloons, like Zia, like she told them, like she pointed at my head, like I felt it. So like, then they give me one, so when I look back, she's like, thumbs up.
What's your most favorite? Ninja Turtle?
Yeah.
Akala ko ito mas gusto mo. Or this one.